Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a pop-up form to your Wix website. Let's get started. First, log into your Wix website. Once you've logged in, you will be directed to Wix dashboard. Once you're here, first, choose the site that you want to edit. After choosing the site, click on Edit Site. Now, once you're in the site, on the left side of the screen, click on the plus icon, Add Elements. Click on Interactive, then go to Light Boxes. Now, here you have four options. So I'm going to choose Subscribe. Then you can choose from the templates here. After choosing a template, click on it. Now Wix will add this template to your site. And now you will see different types of tools that you can use to edit this site. Now go to Set Triggers. You can rename the Lightbox. Then click Yes to automatically display Lightbox on page. You can also edit the delays home page, how the Lightbox will close. If you want to put X icon or the close button. Next, you can also change the layout, the position. You can also put a design. You can put a new color, image, and a video. You can also add animation and effects. And once you're done, click Publish. Then click Use Site. And that's how you add a pop-up form to your Wix website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.